They say in life, sometimes a little rain must fall, and sometimes it just doesn't want to drain away. So then it's time to call this guy. He is well experienced and has the knowledge, the skill, and the equipment to do what needs to be done. From moving a little dirt around to building you that new foundation. So give him a call for your free estimate. Whatever you need, the TGY guy will get it done. Thank you.
TGY Land Management.
TGY Land Management. You got dirt, Timbo can do it.